This is our planet, our home. But somewhere along the way, we forgot. We started running faster and faster, chasing money, chasing success, chasing a life that was never truly ours. In the name of progress, we lost our peace. We built walls between us and nature. But the truth is, we are nature. Not above it, not beyond it. We are one life among many. And when the race ends, we all return to the same earth. So, why live in exhaustion when we can live in connection and peace? Let's breathe with the trees, flow with the rivers, dance with the wind. Let's remember what it's mean to be truly free. Don't just protect the nature, become one with it. Because in the end, we are not saving the earth, we are saving ourselves. So, protect and enjoy within in, rocking it within.